This is my math homework number 25, Tuesday. For number 1, it says, Emma has a board that is 5 feet long. She cuts the board into 6 equal pieces. Which equation shows how to find the length and feet of each piece of the board? So, we know the board's 5 feet long. Here it is. It's 5 feet long. And we're not trying to convert feet to inches, so ignore that, right? It's just 5 feet. She cuts the board into 6 equal pieces. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says, well, what is that? How much is each piece, right? If it equal pieces. So, you know this has to be division because you're going to take this 5 feet board and you're going to cut them up into 6 equal pieces. You know that's going to be division because when you divide, you're sharing it equally. So you're cutting up the board, which is 5, and then you're going to divide it among 6. So it would be 5 divided by 6. So that one would be D, and the way you would read it is 5, 6. Because 5 divided by 6 is written 5 over 6. It's almost one whole. So we know that every board will be 5/6 of a foot. So it'll be 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. And then if you add up 5, 6 all those times, you'll get, of course, the 5 feet. So once again, ask yourself, what am I dividing? Am I dividing the board or the pieces? Well, you're dividing the board into 6 equal pieces. So it's 5 divided by 6. For number 2, it says, enter the correct answer in the space provided. We know when we multiply, we just multiply across. We still have students that think we have to find a common denominator. That's only for addition and subtraction of fractions. When it comes to multiplication, we just multiply across. So 9 times 5 is 45, and 6 times 10 is 60. Now we want to simplify this. We can divide the numerator and the denominator by the number 5. Because 45 divided by 5 will give us 9, and 60 divided by 5 will give us 12. And then we can even divide even more by doing 3 and 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and then 12 divided by 3 is 4. So it's 3/4. Or in the very beginning, instead for dividing by 5, what we could have done instead was divided by 15. That will give us straight to 3/4. Because we know that 45 divided by 15 is 3, and 60 divided by 15 is 4. So you could have divided by 15 in the very beginning, or divided by 5 and then divided by 3. It works either way. For number 3, it says, Kurt drew a rectangular maze with a length of 3/4 foot and a width of 5/12 foot. What is the area? Okay, remember, area equals length times width. It's almost like volume, but volume needs also a height. So all we need to do is take the length, which is 3/4, and multiply it with the height, or with the width, which is 5/12. And once again, just multiply across. 3 times 5 is 15, and 4 times 12 is 48. And then ask yourself, can I simplify it? And in this case, you can. You can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. And 48 divided by 3 will give us 16. So it'll be 5/16.